In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an email account from Pipedrive CRM. If you've connected your email to Pipedrive before and you've decided you no longer want it synced, or you're switching to a different email address, it's important to properly disconnect it. That way, Pipedrive stops pulling in messages from that account and you keep your workspace clean and up to date. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you control settings tied specifically to your user, including email, notifications, and other personal options. Once you're in your Personal Preferences area, look for the Email Sync tab along the top or left side, depending on your layout. Go ahead and select Email Sync. This section is dedicated to managing any email accounts that are currently connected to your Pipedrive profile. On the Email Sync page, you should see a list of the email accounts that are linked. Next to the email account you want to disconnect, you'll see a button labeled Stop Sync. Click on Stop Sync first. This is an important step because it tells Pipedrive to immediately stop synchronizing new emails from that account. Think of this as pausing and turning off the connection before you actually remove it. After the sync has been stopped, you'll now want to completely remove the account from Pipedrive. Next to the same email account, look for a remove or delete icon. This is usually represented by a small trash can symbol. Click on that trash can icon to fully disconnect the email account from your Pipedrive CRM. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to remove the account. If a confirmation message appears, review it to make sure you've selected the correct email address, then confirm the removal. Once that's done, the email account will no longer be connected and Pipedrive will stop syncing emails from it. That's all there is to it. Open your Personal Preferences, go to Email Sync, stop the sync, and then remove the account using the trash can icon.